Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our last and final English literature video, providing you with our final tips and also how to maximize your marks in your exams taking place this Monday. Now, before we get started, do give us a subscribe and do like our videos and share with your friends, as it does help our channel grow. Thank you all for your continued support. It has been truly amazing. And do help us get to 10k subs, as we plan to do a giveaway very soon. Now, let's have a look at the paper very quickly, just to give you some final tips so that you can use this for your exam this Monday. Now, for section A, you will have one of the following texts. So the most common text which students study is an inspector calls. So if you are studying an inspector calls, your questions will be on questions 1 to 2. On page 4. So now that is for your section A, and what you need to remember. Now remember, when you are answering the question on inspector calls, make sure your analysis is in detail and is in depth, because for you to get the highest marks, always elaborate on your analysis. Make sure it's in depth and it's detailed, and also see if you can provide analysis which is perceptive. So what I mean by this is, you don't just look at the explicit, but you also look at the implicit as well. And remember to work quickly through the paper, not too quick, but you need to be cautious of the time, as time does go really quickly. So that's that. So that's section A. Now section B is your power and conflict poetry, 45 minutes. 5 minutes planned, 40 minutes of writing, and around 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, so that will be your section B. And remember to be able to compare correctly to the right poem, because if you compare it to the wrong one, then you'll find it difficult to get the top marks. So just be cautious of that. We've done a video on that, on which poems to cover and which poems to compare as well. Do have a look at our channel. And section C is your unseen poetry. You get 5 minutes for your plan, 30 minutes for the first question, which is 24 marks, and 10 minutes for the second question, which is 8 marks. So there'll be another poem which you'll be comparing to as well. And if you are struggling with unseen poetry, there's an acronym we teach, which is called SMILE, something simple. If you haven't watched our video, do go through our channel and you'll be able to find this video, and you can use it in preparation for your unseen poetry. It's an acronym that makes it easy for you to understand any unseen poetry question, and importantly allow you to score top marks. And that is it. Thank you very much, class of 2024. It's been an absolute pleasure. To those of you who I teach personally, thank you very much for the opportunity. I am truly grateful for that. I hope you all enjoyed my classes. To those of you who attended our online classes, and keep working hard, because the exams are not over. Although literature has come to an end, you still have English language. And remember, the hard work will pay off, and you have to put in the work. You cannot just expect to get, top grades by just, by not doing anything. You have to put in the work. That goes with anything in life. You have to put in the work, you have to sacrifice, and you have to put in a lot of efforts. And I wish you all the best. We've received so many amazing feedback from our subscribers, so I do appreciate it. Honestly, it really does motivate me to continue. Let's try to hit 10k subs or 10,000 subs, as we are planning to do a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. And that is it for today's video. Best of luck for Monday. Do make sure you get plenty of rest. Make sure you are eating healthy, and do make sure you have a good breakfast, and also go to sleep early, because you don't want to panic in the morning and rush. Have your bag, your equipment, everything ready, and leave for school on time, or preferably earlier, just in case if you leave something or you forgot something. It gives you that extra window of time for you to do what you need to do. So that's that for this video. And all I can say is best of luck. Just try your best, don't stress, because ultimately these exams don't define you. It's not the end of the world, but just give it your best shot. You've worked incredibly hard for the last year or two, and you should be proud. And now it's just your last and final shot for you to achieve amazing results. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.